My name is Adewunmi Roland. I'm a student of FUTA, that's in Statistics Department. So I'm currently doing my IT at Zacrac. I got to learn about the data incubator training class. That was when I came to tender my IT letter at Zacrac. So I was informed that they had a incubator class training people for data science. So I thought it was a nice idea to actually familiarize myself with the practical aspect of my course because well, in Nigeria we don't really have practicals accompanied with the classes that we attend at school. Um, what I feel about data science is I think it's actually a very profitable knowledge or skill that people should have. I mean, it's not just restricted to statistics alone or mathematical course. Um, all aspect of life we need data. Like for example, now there's this project we worked on that has to do with a medical drug test. So now you have before trial and after trial. So let's say you want to know if the response, like the recovery rate of a patient, is due to the drug that was given, or perhaps the drug lack of no drugs was what caused the recovery rate. You could just use a PET sample test, and you since you already have the data, the recorded data of how the patient was doing before he was given the drug, then you give the patient the drug again, then you also record the data, how the patient is faring. So what you do is you get the means for before the drug was administered and after the drug was administered. So you have the mean of two different response. So you can analyze the data. So you want to check for statistical significance to see if um, there is significance between um, when the drug was taken and after the drug was taken. So, because when you find the mean now, one can be higher than the other, and the higher one is one that has a descriptive level, seems to have more significance, but statistically, it might not even have any significance at all. So, that's where data analysis comes in, which is an aspect of data science. So, that tells us if um, the mean at descriptive level is significant, statistically significant, which is very helpful in the medical world. And I think my instructor, Mr. Yemi, has been very helpful in helping me and others understand this field of study, data science. He is very interactive with the students and he doesn't make learning boring. So, and I think I would recommend others to come to Zacrac to learn more about data science. That's if they are interested. I would recommend Zacrac. Like that's 100% for me. Uh, what I heard about Zacrac from a friend. I was looking for an IT placement, so someone just told me Zacrac that they train IT students well. So that prompted me to come to here to submit my IT letter. So I was informed about the incubator training. My course actually I would really love I learn best when I practicalize something, when something is applied. Plus after school you cannot be going to prove the mean and variance of, because that's what we do most of the time, prove the mean and variance of this, and I'm like, man, we are not going outside to prove the mean and variance. So life after FUTA, I would say that's the major driving force behind me coming here to learn, to gain the skill. Zacrac is it's nice. It's a fun place to learn. The tutor is good. He's actually well grounded in data science, because imagine taking lots of people from scratch. They have no statistical knowledge, and you're just trying to teach them something that they're entirely foreign to, and they're actually grasping it. So the instructor is very good, and I think the environment that Zacrac has provided for learning is very conducive. So I think it's cool. Yeah.